how to see pending Robux. So first, just simply go to the Roblox website right here. Then once you're here, you'll need to go to this Roblox icon here at the top right, just besides the gear icon. And when you click on it, you will see buy Robux, your transactions, and redeem Roblox code. So just simply click on my transactions right here. And it will redirect you right here. And as you can see, you will see the summary of your transactions. So you could set it to the past 30 days, sort of past day, past 7 days if you want. And also you could select purchases or summary. And here you will see the incoming Robux. So this is where you will basically see your pending Robux if you have any. So here at the incoming Robux section, and here on the outgoing Robux, as you can see, there's also an option right there. So if you're worried that you haven't got your Robux on your account yet, you might see it here on the summary or on your transactions. And that's how you basically see your pending Robux.